water and for mix number 8 for 2 weeks. And then we put them in the pot.
So you like to root in water?
Water and hormix, yeah.
Okay.
Before plain
Why not
water,
just the soil?
You will have a problem on the soil and water. It should drain, right? So if there's no drain and it get clogged, it just rot. Or if you put a small dirt, then it's not enough.
So you notice if you root them in soil, you'll get more rot versus rooting them in water.
Yes.
That makes sense.
Yes.
Now,
And
do
it
you use
will-
distilled water or
No,
tap
just
water?
Tap water.
So you don't notice a problem with tap water versus distilled?
I did not use any distilled water yet.
Okay.
But and then also it will be more work if you put it in the small soil and then you repot it again. So if you observe that too, that the sugar dragon are slow to root, right?
For sure.
Yeah.
But do you have pretty good success in the water with them, right?
Yes.
So you propagate them in water, then you have them here under your Haas avocados? Is that what these are? Or some type of avocado?
Yeah. Because you need shade. They get burned if there's no root yet. And you propagate them and expose them in direct sunlight. You're gonna lose a lot of plants.
Yeah, because even they do look a little shriveled, even just under part. I mean, they're healthy, but they take a while to really plump up and develop their roots.
Yes.
And is this the same growing media, the same soil mixture that
That's
you
the
use?
same, yeah.
Okay.
But if you want like really perfect soil, close to perfect soil, you have to put fine bark and other thing, but time and then it get expensive. So I'm just making it simple.
Yeah.
So just
price
cactus.
is a big factor when you have this many dragon fruit plants like you guys do.
Right, and then the time, because I don't have a machine to mix them
Yeah, you mix it all by hand.
by hand. Yeah.
You must have strong arms.